What is a WIX dynamic page? A WIX dynamic page is a type of page on the WIX platform that automatically adjusts its content based on user interactions or database information. Instead of creating multiple static pages for different items, like products or blog posts, you can use a single dynamic page to display unique content depending on what the user clicks. For example, if you have an online store with hundreds of products, instead of building individual pages for each product, you can create one dynamic page. When a visitor clicks on a specific product, the dynamic page pulls information, like images, descriptions, and prices, from your database and displays it in real time. This saves time and ensures consistency across your site. Dynamic pages are commonly used for e-commerce stores, portfolios, event listings, and blogs. They work seamlessly with WIX's built-in database tool, WIX Collections, allowing you to manage and update content easily without redesigning pages. In summary, WIX dynamic pages streamline website management by automating content updates and reducing repetitive tasks, making them ideal for scalable websites. If this video helped explain WIX dynamic pages, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.